Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to create the bolt paths for our gear housing. Let's begin by right-clicking on this face, New Sketch. I'm going to go to wireframe mode while I'm sketching. And let's activate the line tool. Okay, let's apply some dimensions and constraints now. The radius of my arc will be 20 millimeters. And this distance I'll make 15 millimeters. Let's just zoom out so we can see a bit better. Let's activate the rectangle, 3-point rectangle tool. My first point, second point, and my third point I'll drop out here. Now for some constraints. The midpoint to this line point will be coincident. Let's activate the 3-point arc tool. Here's my first point, my second point, and my third point. Let's apply a tangent constraint between the arc and the bottom line. Another one here. Now for some dimensions. Let's right-click and select the aligned dimension. This will be 40 millimeters. OK. And escape to exit the tool. Let's select and delete this line now. And I'll finish the sketch. Activate the extrude command. Let's select my profile. For the depth, let's make it 8 millimeters. And click OK. Now we're ready for the bolt holes. Let's create a sketch for that. Activate the circle command. Project geometry. Let's select the arc and create a second circle. Apply an equal relation to both of these circles. And now for dimensions. The diameter will be 15 millimeters. OK. And let's finish the sketch. Now the extrude command. We'll select the first region and the second region. Extents through all. Let's accept. Lastly here, we need to cut this corner. Right-click, New Sketch. The projected geometry was already created. Let's click Finish Sketch. Activate the Extrude command. Use the Cut mode. Extends through all. And let's accept. Now we'll take a Shaded with Edges view. This will let us get a better look at our model. Lastly here, we need to apply the Mirror tool. Let's select the features to mirror, the bolt path, the bolt holes, and the corner cut. Now we select the mirror plane. Let's use the XZ plane. And click OK. And here is our model, really taking shape now. Don't forget to save your part. And this concludes our 6th lesson on creating this gear housing.